You are welcome to Remit Forex Academy. Markets this week move all the way from here to this very point of resistance, and this is a very strong resistance which will support at this very area. What I am expecting next week is for the market to move up a little bit into this very important level of resistance. If you look at this very area, we have a very strong resistance at this very point, so market should move into this very zone of resistance, and then from here we're going to see the market retrace back to the downside. So a good retracement should happen within this very zone on the chart. So this is where I'm expecting the market to move into. Then from here we're going to see the market move back to the downside on EURUSD. This is very important, guys. You need to pay attention to this very important zone at this very area. So all you need to do on Monday, as you see the market open, is wait for the market to move a little bit into this area, and then from this zone will be a nice place to take a sell opportunity to the downside for good retracement. Remember, the market has moved the first impulse of the Elliott wave pattern, then retracement, move again, retrace to the same level where it moved from, and then right now it has moved to this very area. What will happen is the market will move just a little bit into this area, then from here market is going to drop back down. One other thing that is very important at this level is that from here we see a very strong supply zone. So from here market crash back down into this area before market begin to move up. That means the possibility that if market move into this zone, market is going to move back down again, because that is what we see right here in the past. I am expecting the same thing to happen when the market move into this very zone of resistance. This is what you need to focus on as we enter the next week of trading next week, and focus on shorting the market or selling the market from this level of resistance on EURUSD. And on GBPUSD, you see the market crash back down all the way from this very area to the downside. I am expecting this market to move into this zone of resistance as well. So on the 4-hour chart GBPUSD, this very zone is very important on the chart. So from here to this very area, I am expecting this market to move into this very area of resistance. If you look at it, we have resistance here, resistance here, resistance here, resistance, all this area which was resistance at this very point. So market should move a little bit upward, and then from there we will see the market find rejection to the downside. Market is going to move into this very zone of resistance, and then from here market is going to come back down again on the 4-hour chart GBPUSD. And on USDCAD, if you look at USDCAD right here, we see the market move from here upward, retracement, and then we see this next move upward, creating a new high, market retrace. I'm expecting that this market move upward as we open next week for trading. And this very level is a level you should watch. This very point is a very important level of resistance on the chart right now. So focus on this very area of important resistance at this very point. So this area is where your focus should be on. Okay, this point and this area, market should move into this zone, and then once we see that movement from this point upward, then from here this very price level of 1.3783 and this price level of 1.3754, within this zone we will see retracement from here to the downside. Remember, when the market move all the way from the downside upward from here into this area and crash back down, market will move into the same zone and begin to move down again on USDCAD. This is what you need to expect, and this is what you need to watch on the chart right now as we open next week of trading on Monday. This is what you need to pay attention to, guys. And if you are new to this channel, Remit Forex Academy, please like the video, help subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to turn on the bell notification for more updates like this. Also check the channel for other educational content. Thank you for watching today's video, and I will see you in the next video.